Hi, my name is Wasim and I'm a software engineer working at HCL. Currently, I'm staying in BTM 4 stage. I bought this site around 7 to 8 years before, and I had planned construction. The construction got over this year. It was started last year, and before starting it, I had research in the market, in internet, discussing with the other firms and all, their process and all. Then came across Buildhood. Then it was handled by Kiran. Then when I contacted, I came to know it's the same Kiran whom I know before. Then when I discussed with the Buildhood, then I came across their process open. It's not there are no any hidden costs there. And whenever the small works used to get complete, I used to pay them. That was their model. So it was very open. The prices for open. There was no hidden charges there. And as and when the work gets over, then only the payment was made to them after checking all the required things in the building. And it was wholesome of 14 months. The project got over, and the Buildhood accustomed to all my needs, like changing in between, maybe the size of the room or the height of the ceiling. All those things were accustomed then and there during all these 14 months. And yeah, it was like a good experience which I had with the Buildhood. They have this cost plus model, which is transparent, and that's what stands out compared to the other vendors. So I went with them, and I had consulted other firms also where they used to have the same cost, or they used to have the more cost for the less what they give. So that's what I liked, and I decided to go ahead, and it was a good experience. So in general, when I discussed with other vendors, they had this lump sum model where they have this fixed amount for the fixed things. Anything going beyond that used to charge more. So cost plus contract model is, in the beginning only I can tell what to purchase, for which floor to purchase, what things to purchase, and made changes then and there, and made payment for only that items only. So it's not like a hidden thing where the other model says that you have to pay this amount, and that goes, you have to change it, and again you have to go search, and that might increase the price sometime. So this was good for me, where I can pitch in and select whichever I want from whichever place I want. Because of that, it was a successful. lump sum model, we have to pay, I think, a square foot basis where the selected materials are in that category. So they used to procure all the things, and from our side we used to make the payment but from the cost plus contract model, the service will be separate, and whatever the materials procured, where there I have 100% control which to buy, from where to buy, and what size has to be bought. All those things was under completely my control. So I had pitched in there and made several changes according to my building. It can be the floor which I am staying or the rented floors which I have given. And with the cost plus model, when I compare to their lump sum, if I calculated the cost, I mean the amount spent for the whole building, I think around 12 to 15%, around 12 to 15% was less what I felt when compared to the lump sum model. Along with that, addition to that, I had the things which I wanted in this building. Before starting of the contract also, I discussed with the Buildhood, Kiran, who is from Buildhood. So he explained everything, what cost, how much, where it cost, and where it will increase, everything. After discussing for like longer hours, then I decided. Then it's all mentioned in the contract. Even in the whole tenure of 14 months, any changes made to the building only costed me the material ones, and service was flawless, as they have a dedicated site engineer who comes and visits, and I've been regularly talking to him on a daily basis. I used to visit my site and take some updates and all the details and how it is and all. The site engineer was very cooperative in that. That's a good thing from the Buildhood side. So yeah, definitely cost plus model I would recommend, because it's very transparent and you know where your money is going and where it is being spent. So that's 100% I'll recommend that. I'd like to thank the Buildhood as a whole company, also for Kiran to showing interest as from the company side and also from his individual side, and showing interest in completion of this. I'd like to thank all his employees, architects, site engineers. Thank you.